Chapter 3: Formatting a Document. Learning Objectives. Changing font type, making text bold, italic, and underline. Changing text color, changing text case, superscript and subscript effects, creating bulleted or numbered list, applying border and shading, applying drop cap effect, header and footer. Introduction. Formatting is a process of making certain text bold or underline, or setting its font, size, color, setting line, spacing, tabs, etc. to increase the readability and beauty of the document. Changing font type. To change font type, follow the steps given below. Select the text. Click on Home tab. Click on the drop-down arrow in Font Style box. Choose the desired font from the displayed font list. As you click on the desired font, it will be applied to the selected text. Making text bold, italic, and underline. To make the text bold, italic, or underline, first step is to select the text. To make a text bold, click on Bold button in Font Group of Home tab, or press Ctrl+B combination key. To make a text italic, click on Italic button or press Ctrl+I combination key. To underline a text, click on Underline button or press Ctrl+Underline combination key. Changing text color. To change the color of a text, follow the given steps. Select the text and click on Home tab. Click on the drop-down arrow in Front Color box. Select Desired color. Selected text is displayed in the desired color. Changing text case. To change a text case, follow the given steps. Select the text. Click on Home tab. Click on Change Case button in Font Group. Select Desired text case. Selected case is displayed on the screen. Superscript and subscript effects. Superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline, whereas the subscript option places the selected text slightly below the baseline. To apply subscript or superscript, follow the given steps. Select the text. Click on the superscript or subscript button present in the Font Group of Home tab. Creating bulleted or numbered list. We can format items in a list by using bullets and numbers. A bullet is a small graphic symbol. To apply bullets, follow the given steps. Select the text and click on the Bullets button in the Paragraph group of the Home tab. Select the bullet style of your choice. You will notice that the selected text is bulleted and the indents are automatically adjusted to separate text from the bullets. In the same way, we can create numbered list. Click on Numbering button in the Paragraph group and select any list style of your choice. Applying border and shading. To enhance the beauty of the text, we can add a variety of borders and shading effects to a paragraph or to entire page. To apply border and shading effects, follow the given steps. Select the text and click on the drop-down menu next to the Borders button in the Paragraph group in Home tab. Select the Borders and Shading option. Border and Shading dialog box is displayed. Select the type of border from leftmost panel. Select the line style using the scroll bar in Style Selection. A drop-down menu is displayed. Select the desired color from the Color section. Choose the line width from the Width section. Click on OK to finalize the selections made. Applying Drop Cap Effect. A large initial letter that drops below the first line of a paragraph is called drop cap. It is used to give a graceful and fancy look to a document. To apply drop cap, follow the given steps. Select the first word or letter or first word of the document. Click on Insert tab and select Drop Cap button in Text Group. Define the required parameters in Drop Cap options. Click on OK button. Header and Footer. The header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin, while the footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Fact file. Header and footer generally contain additional information such as page numbers, dates, and author name, and footnotes. Text or number entered in the header or footer will appear on each page of the document. To insert header, follow the given steps. Click the Insert tab. Select Header. From Header and Footer group, a gallery appears. Select the desired style. Now, type the text that is to be placed at the top of each page. Click on Close Header and Footer from Close Group in the Design tab. To insert footer, follow the given steps. Click on Insert tab. Select Footer from Header and Footer group. A gallery appears. Select the desired style. Write the text that is to be placed below in the footer and click Close Header and Footer from Close Group in the Design tab. To insert page number, follow the given steps. Click the Insert tab. Select page number from Header and Footer group. A drop-down list appears. Select the location of the page number. Select the desired style and click Close Header and Footer from Close Group in the Design tab. You will notice that page number gets inserted on each page of the document. Quick backup. Formatting is used to increase the readability and beauty of the document. Fonts are the characters of a specific size and design used for typing the text. Default font of MS Word 2016 is Calibri. Bold effect makes the text darker than the rest of the text. Subscript option places the selected text slightly below the baseline. Superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline. Bullets are small graphical symbols. These are applied to the items in a list to increase the readability and beauty of listed items.